In today's video, we will be taking you through our brand new kits featuring our new mini magnetic colored liner collection. So if you haven't seen the swatches of our new mini liners, you can check those out right here. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos, and you can hit the bell down below to be notified anytime we post. Let's just jump right into the video. So like I said, we have 3 new kits featuring our new mini colored liners. The first kit is called the Deep Color Kit. This one features 3 of our mini liquid liners. You get the black liquid liner, the olive liquid liner, and the azul liquid liner. On top of that, you also get 2 lashes, the MoxieLash and the Sassy Lash, as well as some removers and our beautiful luxe bag. Our second new kit is the Vivid Color Kit. It also features 3 of our mini liquid liners, the black, magenta, and amethyst. You also get Baby Lash and Wifey Lash, as well as our removers and our luxe bag. Our third and final kit is our Color Lineup Kit, which includes all 4 mini colored liners, the olive, magenta, azul, and amethyst, and you get a free black mini liner. Like I said, if you haven't already, go check out our last video where we swatch all of our brand new mini colored liners. In the meantime, check out this video where we try on all of our beautiful colored lashes. That would probably go perfectly with your new mini liners. And if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.